1 plus 1, which gives us 3. Here 9 times 3, which equals to 27. Here 27 divided by 27, which equals to 1. Okay, which equals to 1. But this is not the correct answer of this problem, because according to PEMDAS, first we have to do parenthesis, then exponent and multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority, work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, there is one division and one parenthesis and one multiplication here. Okay, so according to PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis, then this division, and finally this multiplication. If we multiply this before this parenthesis or this division, it is wrong. Therefore, according to PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis, 1 plus 2, which gives us 3. Okay, 27 divided by 9 times 3. So here one division and one multiplication. So according to PEMDAS, multiplication division has equal probability from left to right. So we have to do this division first because it is found at the left of this multiplication. Okay, 27 divided by 9, which equals 3, then times 3. Okay, 3 times 3, which gives us 9. This is the correct answer of this problem. Therefore, the correct answer of this equation is 9.